Good morning. I hope you guys all had a great long weekend and are enjoying the snow. The assignment you're going to do this week is about Valentine's Day, and I know it's already passed, but I love holidays, so that is why we're doing this. All right? It won't take that long to do. Just know that really follow the directions. All right? So I'm going to share my screen with you now. And we're going to start by please, oh please, do the assignment that says do first, because what you do in there builds on the second assignment. So this first one is Actively Learn. It's an article about Valentine's Day and how it began. All right? Be sure to follow the directions. It says be sure to answer the last question with at least 3 sentences. We'll go into that. So you're going to sign into Actively Learn. Remember, using your email. And I'm just going to switch over to the next screen. And this one is, it's called A Day for Love. And as you read, ask yourself, how did the traditions of Valentine's Day begin? So you're going to answer a poll, what's your favorite part of Valentine's Day? And then you're going to read the information about how it began. So you're going to read through, now I just want to tell you, there's only like 4 questions on this whole thing. All right. So that's why on the very last question, you need to make sure you follow the directions, because that's the only short answer. So you have a poll, then you have 2 multiple choice ones, and then the short answer. So please answer the short answer one thoroughly, remembering capitals and periods and the amount of sentences I need. So that means the other 2 are multiple choice. So that means if there's only 4 questions total, they're all worth a lot of points. So if you submit it and see that you missed like 2 multiple choice, you're going to want to ask for revision. Click those little red buttons that say allow revision. I'll let you back in and change it. Or if you look at your grade in PowerSchool and go, ew, I didn't do well, then you probably want to fix that. All right, because this is worth 30 points. So they're each going to be worth a lot, especially the multiple choice and really especially the short answer. So you're going to go through here and it talks about Rome. So remember how it started in Rome. It talks about things they did in Rome. And then you're going to say the author most likely included paragraph 3 up here, 2, and then you're going to choose, and I'm not going to show the choices because it kind of gives the answers in one of them. So you have to figure out, why did he most likely include that paragraph, okay? Then you're going to read through. And it says then the tradition of Valentine's Day spreads through Europe, Italy, Britain, and it talks, and then it says what idea from paragraph 5, so you're going to have to go read through it again or listen to the story. Why, okay, what they talk about in paragraph 5, what idea from paragraph 5 is developed in paragraph 6 through 8, okay? So you're going to have to answer that, and that's the multiple choices too. Now I want to go through this a little fast. This is the one thing I need to show you, because this is a part of the next assignment. So many of these early Valentines involved puzzles in an acrostic poem. So this is what we're talking about, acrostic poem. You read down the first letter of each line to spell a sweetheart's name. One such poem read, "May you answer yes, my heart, and no longer keep us apart. Remember, I love you, dear Valentine. You must be mine as I am thine." So there we have the word Mary, the name Mary. Okay, and these words here kind of describe her, the feelings for her. Notice heart, apart, so this rhymes A, B, Valentine, mine. Okay, so remember that. That comes up later. And then you're going to go down to the short answer. How did the modern traditions of Valentine's Day develop from a festival in ancient Rome? Use at least 3 specific details. What happened in ancient Rome that developed and we still do today, or close to what we do today? All right? You need to have 3 examples. So that means this must be at least 3 sentences. A lot of times it seems like students aren't following my directions or reading like when I put how many sentences you need. So make sure you do that. Because if you don't have 3 sentences, please remember capitals and periods, by the way. If you don't have the 3 sentences, you're going to have to fix it. Okay? It's going to be an incomplete. It's going to be like a 0 on that. So you're going to want to fix it. Okay, so that's this assignment. So now we're going to go back up here. Remember this acrostic poem? I'm going to go back to your next assignment over here to here, which is underneath here under Valentine acrostic poem. All right, so this is what you're going to do. Follow the directions in the slideshow to write your own acrostic poem. So I'm going to click on here. Okay, and as you can see, I took the poem and I wrote it here. All right, and I kind of said this is exactly what's kind of written in the Actively Learn. So notice the M, Mary, the letters are dark, and the title right here on the top. Okay, so now it's your turn. In honor of Valentine's Day, you need to build an acrostic poem that shows some depth and thought about a person in your life, or an animal, could be a pet. Okay, can be your parent, best friend, boyfriend, girlfriend, cousin, teacher, whatever. Okay, you're going to write their word, name, or phrase, whatever you want for the title, at the top. That's centered. And I have a slide here that will show you. Then you must use either rhyming couplets. You have to either go AA, BB, that was in the other one, or you can do every other one if you want. If you have one that has like 5, then just the first 2, second 2 need to rhyme, and then the last line doesn't rhyme. Your poem needs to be typed, obviously, and left justified so that the capital letters of each line can be read vertically. Your poem must be at least 4 letters long, like 4 letters in the name. If you choose to do mom or dad, so you can't do much rhyming with just 3. So, or you do a 3-letter name because you're trying to come up with the shortest thing you can do, you're going to have to write 2 poems then. Okay? So this is how you're going to do it. I've done one for you. Well, you're going to use this example. So you're going to have to put the title here. That's centered. And then this is how it needs to be left justified right here. And then you would darken each of the first letters. So that is what your assignment is for the week. If there are any questions, please email me. Please come to class, all right? And I can answer the questions there. And you know, we're only, those of you that are periods 1 through 4, we're only meeting like once. So please make sure if you need to meet with me, schedule a Google Meet if you need more direction. All right? Talk to you later. Have a great day. Enjoy that snow. Bye-bye.